Hi babes, here are my 2026 makeup predictions. Makeup is changing in 2026 not because of trends but because people want skin that looks real, feels comfortable and still lasts long. Foundation will not disappear but foundation culture will. Heavy foundation, full coverage foundation will gradually decline while skin tints, serum foundation or concealer as a base will gradually dominate. Using a concealer as base will also be something that will be factored in 2026 because people want skin that looks natural on camera and in person. In 2026, complexion prep will be required for than the actual makeup because a lot of people now understand the benefits of prepping the skin before the actual makeup. So skin primer, skin prep, hybrid makeup, glow drops, skin tints, tinted moisturizer, these are the things that would be asked for more in 2026 because this gives that skin like finishing. I'm not wearing makeup type of finishing, and a lot of people want their skin to breathe. They want the makeup to sit well on their skin. So many clients understand now that a proper well prep skin makes makeup to last really long, and makeup tends to sit well on such skin. In 2026, brows will stay soft but more intentional. This year is not going to be 2026 is not going to be about block brows, boxy brows. It is going to be about more feathered, shaped but not drawn brows, brow gel, brow pens that gives hair strokes, and laminated brow styles will really dominate 2026 because when you have a softer brows, it gives your face a younger look and it makes you look more expensive. In 2026, high area will still take its place because this is one area that will show our artistic skills. This is our playing ground, so we basically do what we like. So I do not think a lot will change with the eye area in 2026. It's either you go very minimal or you go very artistic. Cream products will dominate powders in 2026. Cream blush, cream bronzer, cream contouring, cream highlighter will be a major focus in 2026. White powder will be used to set the areas that is needed to be set because creamy product tends to give that skin-like finishing that a lot of people want. So I would advise MUA, makeup artists in Nigeria, to master the act of using cream product in a way that it can withstand any season. Blush is still going to be here for a very long time. The placement might differ. This is what gives our face that youthful, beautiful, dull look. But one thing I think is it might replace contour slightly because with blush you can also define and shape the face. This I'm not so sure of, finger crossed, but I think it's going to be something that will replace contour in 2026. Lip liner plus gloss will stay relevant because lip liner is no more a trend, it is now a staple, so it's going to stay on for long, and gloss is going to be a lot more requested for over a matte lip. But matte lip is not going to vanish like that, but it's going to be made softer. Lashes will still be involved in makeup application, but the size and the style will be what will change gradually because lashes enhances your makeup, so it is not going out of style. Highlighting will still be on for a very long time. So in 2026, highlighting will still be part of makeup application, but it's going to be reduced from 2 shades lighter to maybe 1 shade lighter, or maybe a little bit shade lighter than your actual skin to give off that soft glam look. In 2026, soft glam look is going to dominate because it gives you a better and enhanced version of yourself, and it doesn't overpower who you are or what your face look like naturally. It's going to really dominate in 2026. And there you have it, guys, my 2026 makeup predictions. So let me know what you all think down in the comment section. If there's any predictions you think might dominate in 2026, please do well to leave it down in the comment section. I will see you in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to share, like, subscribe, follow me, and leave a comment. I'll see you when I see you guys. Mwah. Bye.